The way you move, it's a silent symphony. You throw a spark that's lighting up the galaxy. I see the pressure, the weight you have.